Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Thursday morning? It's the third day of September. I hope you're doing well. I'm a little hoarse this morning, just slightly, a little raspy on the voice. Here are your weather headlines. Showers are still on hiatus. It's going to be hard to find any showers on the radar for the next couple of days. Maybe a little bit better chance towards Sunday and Monday. Could there be slightly lower humidity in the air by Saturday as a weak front moves through the area? I'll bring you up to date on that. And what about that air mass next week? I'm talking about that Canadian air mass that's going to be coming into the United States. It's really nice air. Does it make it to Alabama? The models are still disagreeing. When could that happen? I'll bring you up to date on the latest.
Today will be much like yesterday in that it's going to be hot. In fact, today could be a little bit hotter. Once again, I think radar will be quiet. There won't be any showers on the radar. So look for a high temperature in the middle 90s with a low tonight down to the low to mid 70s. And then the heat index still in the triple digit range like it has been a lot lately. Our forecast for tomorrow calling for mostly dry, even though a front will be moving southward in the state. I think the front's not going to find a lot of convergence for showers. I think Saturday will be a little bit better as far as the humidity goes. I think it'll be noticeably nicer, not quite as humid. The 70-degree dew points at least leave for a day. We get into 60s for the dew points, and that's going to be a step in the right direction. However, by Sunday afternoon, dew points in the 70s come back at us, and I think we see some scattered showers and pop-up storms on Sunday and Labor Day Monday as well as we get back to normal. And I think the chances of showers will actually probably increase Tuesday. Maybe not as much as that particular map indicates, but I think there'll be a better chance on Tuesday. So I've got the rain chances just about nil on Friday and Saturday. And we'll probably put some scattered showers back in the forecast on Sunday, probably go up to about 20 to 30%, and then a little bit higher on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, an important frontal system is approaching, we think. This is the GFS idea of where the front could be just past Memphis on Wednesday afternoon. A Canadian cool down coming into the U.S., but will it make it all the way into Alabama? Well, not all the models agree, but eventually it will, and I think by late week, well, here's a snapshot of Friday morning. That's some really nice air with lower humidity. Let's hope this all pans out the way it looks like it will. So if you look at the GFS, it shows the front coming through probably maybe Wednesday night into Thursday with some cooler days and lower humidity after that, at least for a little while into that following weekend. So we have the beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Pretty routine Friday and Saturday. A little bit better chance Sunday and about 50-50 chance on Labor Day Monday. Gulf water temperature now at 85. Out in the tropics, Nana came ashore in Belize as a hurricane while you slept last night. It's moving into Central America. Omar is now a tropical depression out in the Atlantic. Out in way out there, we have Invest 91L that could become Paulette, 70% chance of development, and two other areas to watch way out there in the tropical Atlantic. So there are several features being tracked by the National Hurricane Center right now. It's been exactly 1 week since Hurricane Laura made landfall on the Louisiana coast. Strongest hurricane on that coast for 164 years as far as wind speed. But there's lots of ways to measure hurricanes. Besides wind speed, there's atmospheric pressure, storm surge, the costliest, the deadliest. We'll talk about some of the biggest hurricanes on those lists on my Weather Extra tonight at 6 and 10 on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network. Join me for my Weather Extra.
And again, let me be clear when I talk about that Canadian air mass, that's not this week, that's next week. So we're looking at maybe, 7 or 8 days from now, we could see some improvement. All right, we're live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 News Talk 93.1, live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Their morning program is called Alabama Rising, and there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we get started with the Labor Day weekend. I hope you have a nice day today. It's going to be a hot one. I'll see you later.